Hi guys, welcome to an episode of the Quiver Podcast, special breaking news episode as we react to the VJ Pre news transferring from FEU to UP. So that's a quick reaction from the guys of how we feel about it. So I'm Kiko, joined by Vic. Say hello.
Hello and good day. Good kung
day.
ano man, kung kailan kayo nakikinig nito.
And Willie.
Hi tita. Sa tita ko at sa tito ko. Kung nanonood kayo ng Quiver.
Ayun, grabe. Usually, hindi malakas sa mga tita eh. Hindi ka malakas sa mami.
Hindi mo sa mga lola. Hindi mo sa mga lola, tsaka mommy, tsaka mga
strike naman tayo eh.
Yung mga expertise ni Willie eh. Mga hindi ko man yung powers mga yun.
Mga art of war ni Willie yan eh. Mga art of war ni Willie.
Every week ka ba?
Yung tawag dyan mga interpersonal relationships.
Ayan. Willie, every week ka bumabati dito kay tita, kay tito. Wala eh, hindi pa rin napunta sa Lasal.
Hindi. Kulang yata eh. Kulang yata yung bati natin.
Kulang talaga. Kulang.
Uso ngayon mga courtesy mga courtesy resignation. Baka kailangan natin sa tataya mag-ano dito.
Hand over your courtesy.
Kailangan na ano yun, na pandulas. Kulang ng funds.
Tuloy. May courtesy resignation yung isa. May full-time na siya sa recruitment.
Yun.
Nakuha MVP tuloy.
Tama.
Future MVP.
Nakahanap ng oras para trabahuin niya.
Naka-recruit.
Walang laban ng Willie doon.
Walang laban. Sorry, Willie.
Wala tayong laban sa makinarya. Wala tayong laban sa makinarya. Wala tayong laban sa makinarya, brad. Ibang makinarya na Malacanang, brad.
Iba ang kalabit sa mga tito at tita nun na makinaryang yan.
Yung laban ng barangay sa state of Cavite.
Let's quickly recap the events according to what we see in the news cycles. Ito yung official news. News.
Sige.
So of course, there was news. There was even months back. There was unsettling news of being a VJ Pre, rookie MVP, future MVP. They're saying rookie of the year, the UAP from FEU. Unsettled. The news came out that the family wanted to transfer out of FEU, but he wanted to stay. There was news of Mark Molina, Anton Motinola, asking teams not to recruit. Nag-merge na sila eh. Nag-merge na. They're one body.
One body, one soul.
One soul. Nag-merge na sila. Asking teams not to recruit him, that VJ wants to stay, started with FEU. Then came out later on that VJ Pre put up an announcement on his personal account thanking FEU. It'll always be a tama raw. I don't know sino nag-draft nun, pero it was a great in straight English.
Hindi ko alam kung si co-pilot ba o si ChatGPT o si Gemini. Hindi ko alam sino sa kanila. O baka si DeepSeek.
Pwede yan.
Akala ko DeepSeek.
Finally, these past few days...
HR, ganyan.
These past few days, it was announced VJ Pre will be transferred to UP. Had a picture with gold with assistant coach Tom Chua, our favorite. But
sparring to.
And Bo Parso even said that they did the process properly. They're happy to have VJ on board. They did the process properly. That they did not recruit VJ until he left FEU. Formally left FEU. That's the only time they moved in recruitment. So they work fast. In 2 days, 3 days, nagawa na nila yun. Okay. So guys, since we were born yesterday...
Parang kay CJ Cancino lang yan. Paglabas ng bubble. O, di ba?
Bilis.
Pagkalabas ng bubble, kagad, nag-UP agad. As in, paglabas CJ Cancino, UP is the school for me. Parang ganun yan.
I think nag-upcat, tapos...
Nag-upcat sa loob ng bubble.
Ano yung sa teacher, yung check your own papers? Ganun na nata yun eh. Tapos napasok ka na.
check your own papers.
Yung kay BJ ata, right after ng practice sa Moraita, dumiretso na ng walk-in sa Diliman eh.
Nag-warm up siya doon, tapos na siya naglaro.
Wala na. Oh, yan na yun.
Alright, guys. Since you were not born yesterday, as you were, happy birthday to you. We were not born yesterday. Vic, what do you make of this series of events? How do you react to this? Of course, let's not be in denial. We wanted VJ to come to Lasal. I'm sure we tried to recruit him as well. Yeah, a very good player. What did you make of this transfer of VJ to UP?
I think it's sa akin it's this simple. We made an offer and found to UP had a better offer siguro. And I think it's just right na pag tumaas yan. If I'm the one funding our men's basketball team, I wouldn't want to put all my resources on one player alone. And it's better off that whatever those resources are, spend ko na lang siya sa 2 to 3 players that can help us, 'di ba? Rather than just spending it on one player. So yun ano naman siya. It's sa akin personally, hindi naman secret. I really wanted VJ. Magaling naman siya talaga na player, but yun nga, at the end of the day, if it comes to a bidding war, at pag alam mong yung resource that we need to allocate to him, medyo it's not logical anymore. And just hindi lang talaga okay din na putting all your eggs on one basket. I mean, madami pa dyan. So, tuloy lang ang buhay. Let's just keep on looking players that would want to play for us. Kasi, rin yan medyo mahirap din yan if you go into a bidding war and then later on, ang pinakakalaban mo dyan is how will you be able to control that player if you, kumbaga, you will have to navigate then how would you want to that player get immersed to your team, diba? Rather than mag-swak siya dun sa nyo talaga, kultura ninyo. Ako yun lang. And to sum it up, tingin ko hindi na lang tayo nag-counter once we knew of UP's offer siguro. So just to para maging din logical and reasonable lang din. And I'm very much fine with it. Walang sa akin doon. Walang problema on that.
Yeah. Mahirap tabatan yung Anli Isaw offer ni UP kay BJ. Mahirap yun.
Anli Rodriguez.
How about you, Willie? What did you make of this transfer? I know you were hoping, ikaw, you had a smart recruitment strategy, hindi mo recruit yung player, recruit mo yung si Tita. But what did you make of this news when it came out?
Akala ko madadagdagan na yung contacts list ko ng mga tita pero wala, nasayang yung effort. Pero of course, seriously, I'm disappointed pero not really that disappointed. Parang nangihinayang lang, sayang. Since alam naman natin, I mean, I'd be lying if I said na I didn't want to get him nung nalaman ko yung chance na we are reaching out to see if we can secure. I'd be lying if I said na hindi ako hopeful na sana makuha natin. Sa totoo lang, same with Vic, gusto ko nga rin siya makuha. And wala, it just turns out that's the way the cookie crumbles nga talaga. Ang nakaka-insulto lang is with the communications coming out from the winner ng bidding war. Para pinagmumukha pa tayong tanga
Kaya yun lang. Yeah. I really
nakaka-insulto lang naman kasi
I really don't like it too. Pero if that's their style, then so be it. I don't really give a damn on kung ano yung style, kung ano yung patugalawan nila. It's their own patugalawan. So bahala sila sa buhay nila.
Mga din creative, right?
Kasi kung tayo akong una magre-reply, sasabihin ko, thank you. Please give us more. Sige pa, keep them coming. Aaminin ko na. 100% ko na.
I guess maganda yung creative writing elective done. That's why. But I guess it really shows how times really have changed. That UP is really a powerhouse in terms of recruitment in the college game. I don't know what changed. Tagal na si Robin na dyan. But I don't know. Maybe.
Alam naman natin.
May resignation na kasi.
In denial lang naman yung iba sa kanila kung bakit sila lumakas.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Just don't deny it. That's the lesson to me.
Oo. Yun naman yun eh. Kasi
yan.
ano yan eh. If you, I mean, it's not, hindi naman to hindi naman to lingid sa lingid sa kaalaman ng lahat na, I mean, if you're watching UAAP men's basketball for the past how many years, wala kang budget, may hirapan ka makabuo ng team, hindi ka makaka-compete.
That's reality.
That's reality. Hindi yan masama kasi yan that's the way for you to be able to build up a good team.
Yeah. And I guess it'll be an interesting next few years in the UAP. UP loading up. We're trying to load up as well, trying to secure our pipeline for the next few years. So it makes for some interesting battles in coming season. So VJ Pre taking 2 years residency here and playing for 2 years. So let's see how we're looking forward to facing against UP and him on the court. Let's see how he blends into that team, and let's see how it goes. Of course, we'll see if there's any more incoming transfers or more recruits that come in for the Phil Oil during this Phil Oil tournament.
Baka meron
baka may masilat pa.
Baka meron dyan. Hindi lang natin alam.
We do not recruit, hindi natin recruit unless umalis na dun sa ano eh. Officially umalis na dun sa.
Unless umalis.
That's so improper.
Alam mo naman, we respect the process.
Yes, we respect.
And same goes. So, alright, guys. I hope you catch that great episode with Patrice Davao. Thanks again for guesting on the show. Really great insights. Really great stories from her years as a Corsair reporter. So check that out. I can see it here in the Quiver on our YouTube and our Spotify. We'll be back next week. For now, we're doing weekly episodes, guys. We're in the off season. We'll go back to our regular 2-week schedule once the UAP comes along. So next episode, watch out for us. Next week, as we recap the Philoy games. See if any more breaking news comes up. Maybe more interesting news will come up. Natin. We'll be here to cover that. So, on behalf of Vic, Willie, Gigo, thanks, guys, for listening. As I always say, no matter what, animo lasal.
Respect the process.
Respect the process.